Hi everyone, welcome. So today we are going to build math formula app. So let's start. First of all, we need to go to Coder. So I hope you all are there. Please let me know if I am audible, and if I am not, please let me know. Just a second. So I hope everyone are able to see my screen. So let's get started. So today we are going to build math formula app, and that's going to be very useful for each one of us. So guys, I'm going to upload, or I'm going to paste one link in the description or in the chat right now, and after the video I will paste it in the description. Was I Yes. So I hope my screen is visible now. Okay, thanks for letting me know that I'm audible. So first of all, as I told you that I am going to put one link in the chat box, and after this video I will put it in the description. Those are the assets link. I hope everyone got that. Please download these images because these are required for our today's app, and without these you can't move ahead. So let's get started. First of all, every app needs one splash screen. So in our application we are going to put one splash screen. So go to design, and here we would be writing, first let's choose a theme because we don't want simple applications. We want designable applications, or applications that are good, which look classy. So go to theme and choose any appropriate theme which suits your purpose. This is nice. I have chosen Area 51. You can choose any. It really doesn't matter. So here we would be putting one label. The text size, the font size is very small. So we would be increasing it to 30. Sorry, 30. It seems fine now. Next, we are going to change the text as maths formula. We can rename it as well. Let's rename our applications as well. So go to rename and paste the same title. I hope everyone is clear. If not, please post your doubt in the live chat. Secondly, we would be going. So, do you all know how to add a splash screen? If you have followed my previous video, so there also I had put one splash screen. So it's easy. Next, here we are going to add some of the options. So the options which we are going to add right now, we will be adding some buttons. And let me explain you what these buttons will serve the purpose, which service it will. So in this button, you will write area, because if you are aware, Then you might all be knowing that area, perimeter, volume, square, cubes, those all things. So these are formulas actually in every grade we require. So that is why these are the most and these are the basics. You can change the font size, font, color and everything to make the look of your app even more better. So now we would be adding some more buttons. Area, perimeter, now volume. See guys, volume comes in a later classes. It won't be right now if you are in a small class, but as you move ahead, then volume comes. Especially in classes 8, 9 and 10. And of course in 11 and 12 it also comes. But you should put volume also in your application because it's important, because this is also one of the basic formulas. Then we have squares also and cubes. If you have heard what are squares and cubes, I am making kids table app. Yes, that's also good. You can even make that table app so that you can remember tables easily, and whenever we have any confusion in any table, then we can refer that application. That's a good choice. You can make it. Even if you have any doubt creating it, you can always message me and I will always be eager to help you out and satisfy your doubt or whatever question is arising in your mind. So even you can make the user interface look more good. I'm just making it simple just to just tell you that you can make such kind of applications and then you can just change its user interface and make it even more. So volume here please write squares and one more is going to be cube. Now even you can add here more categories. If you have any doubts about coding, you can ask in the chat as you can answer. I learn coding. That's cool. You all can help each other. Next, we will be going to a next screen. We are going to create a new screen. And is my voice audible? Like, I know it's audible, but is it louder or should I speak more louder? Please tell. Let's create a new screen and we would be renaming this screen as, let's rename it to area. And now we need those images. We need those images which I had given you the link. I'm again pasting the link of the asset in the chat. I have pinned that message. So you can access the assets link. So please download those images because that's very important. So next, in this area screen, you just click on choose or even insert. You can even insert image because background image don't put it for here. I'm telling you, I have experimented it and it looks very bad. I mean, it gets all messed up. So don't do that. Instead, just put one image so that you can arrange it according to your comfort or according what you click on choose and upload a file and upload area one image and click on choose. So now you can just put it on the way you like. Next, we would be adding one more image, and here what we are doing is it's going to be simple. We are here adding one back button because every app has a back button. So then go to icons and search for back and you will get it. And now because it is very black, you can change the icon color as white. Done. That's easy. Next, because here in area you might have noticed if you have checked those images that there are two, that area 1 and area 2, because there are two images of area. So here we would be adding one more image and just insert it here, this component. Click on choose, go to icons and just search for next. Choose this one and again change the icon color to white because that's important. Otherwise it is not visible. Oh sorry, I have made it the border color. Ignore. Just come here to icon color and put it right. That's so easy. And as soon as the user clicks this button, then it's going to redirect them to a new screen. Or well, wait. Instead of that, what we can do is we will do it in the code that it will this image. So what you will do right now is you will upload one more image here, area 2 also. And then in the codes, we would make it such that so that to reduce the number of screens, we are just changing it in the codes. We will not do right now. We will not create one more screen. That would be good, according to me. Next, new screen. Again, rename it to perimeter. And now again the same work you have to do, or I guess delete the screen, go to area and duplicate the screen. This would actually save our time doing the same thing. Oh, sorry. I mean, what's happening right now? I don't know. So just click this screen once more, click on duplicate, and now rename this screen to as just a second. Yeah. So just rename it to perimeter. And next, just remove this icon and change this image to upload a file and upload the perimeter image. Click on change. Done. That was so easy. You can now adjust it according to you. Again, new screen. The same work. Sorry. We could have again duplicated it and we are going to do the same. I don't know why I'm doing double work. So now here we are doing volume. So now again change the image to upload the file, and now the image should be volume. And in the link which I have given to you, there it has all these images. Click on choose. Done. That was so easy. Next, one more new screen, and here rename it to as sorry again delete it. Just duplicate that screen. Duplicate it, and now rename the new screen which was duplicated as square. And now again change the image to the one which has to be uploaded, and we are uploading it now. So it was cubes, I guess. No, no, squares. So upload the major squares. Click on choose, and that was so easy. So now again you have to duplicate the screen. This screen duplicates it. Duplicate the screen for cubes. Right here, and again you have to do the same work. Click on choose, upload the image of cube which has been downloaded to your computer. How? I have given you the link in the live chat and in the description also. Edulo, can you make star performer also to that person whose projects are nice? We can think of doing that. We can think of doing that. Adjust its size. Done. So, as I have told you, try to improve the UI design of it. So done. Next, I guess if all are done. Yes, all are done. That's cool. Now let's come to the coding part and just do. So the first thing which we need to do is adding the functionality of splash screen. So come to screen number one, go to variables, sorry not variable, control, and click here, drag the block which is set title. And please tell me, should I work on blocks or in quotes? What should I do? Quotes or blocks? Because I am comfortable using the both, but I want to go to your comfort. Like, I just want to do what you like. Should I do this one? Should I code in this way or the block one? You can let me know. So set timeout to let we want that set timeout that after 1 millisecond or whatever it is, after 1 millisecond, sorry, not 1 millisecond, after 1 second, because 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds, I guess. Code, okay. And actually, I would also recommend you that you should work on code. Do with blog. Okay, what others say? I have no problem in doing any. I can do any. So as the 1 second has passed, or when the screen number one has loaded, then it should set screen number. Then it should set screen number two. Screen number two. Then after 1 second, it should set screen number two. So this is how we are adding the functionality of flash screen, and it's very very easy. Next, come to screen number two, and here do that on event when button number one is clicked. Then what's going to happen? Then it's going to set screen which is area. Copy this code, copy this block, paste it, and just do it on event when now button number two is clicked. Then it should set screen number perimeter. It's not screen number, screen. Next, again duplicate this code set and do it when button number three is clicked. Then it should set screen which is volume. Again duplicate it, paste it, Central C and Central D, if you know. So on event when button number 4 is clicked, then it's going to set screen which is squares. And on event when button number 5 is clicked, then it should set screen which is cube. Done. Now let's come to the screen which is area. And here what we need to do next is, yes, the second image one. So on event Now here you need to have some attention. You need to pay some little attention in this part because it's important. On event when image number 3 is clicked. When image number 3 is clicked, then it's going to set the image URL. It's going to set the image URL of the ID, which is image 1, as click on choose and here select area 2. And as I have told earlier also, this image, like all these images are given in the description and in the live chat also. Done. That was easy. Now I don't think any other particular or specific functionality needs to be added. Now just the thing which we need to do is adding back button functionality. Let's do that. So here you can add one comment. Go to functions here, write a comment that black sorry back buttons. Done. So come here to area on event when image number 2 is clicked. When image number 2 is clicked, then it's going to set screen, which is 2. Set screen number 2. And screen number 2 is the screen which has all those options. Duplicate it and paste it again. And how to duplicate? Press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V simultaneously. Okay. Or we can say consecutively. So next come to perimeter. And on event when image number 6 is clicked, then it should set again screen number 2. Duplicate it again, and now again go to volume, and here on event when image number 9 is clicked, then it should set screen 2. Duplicate it again for squares and cubes, so 2 times. So on event when make it little upwards. Yes. So go to code again, and on event when what is this image number 11. So when image number 11 is clicked, then it should set screen number. Oh no. What's this? Ignore. So on event when image number 11 is clicked, so come here and click. Now go to cube, and here also on event when image number 13 is clicked, then it should say screen number 2. And I guess everything is done. So with this we have completed our application, which is Math Formula app, and we have successfully created it. Let's run it to check. So splash screen is working, all fine, it is working. Next let's click on area. Yes, and let's see if it's working, changing the image. Yes, it's working. That's cool. See, it's working when we click it. And what you can do is to remove this button. Eduler, I sent my table lab project. I will check it after this video streaming. So what we can do is, if we want wait, I mean, it's just a second. So I have a task for today. The task is going to be that you have to write it's only one code, that on event when this button is clicked, Then as it was doing that, it has changed this image URL to the other. Where was I? Area. Yes. So on event when this image number 3 is clicked, then it should change this image URL which we have done it. Even it should hide this button. And should I give you a hint that how can you do it? Here in this code only, when it was clicking this, then it was click this image and then it is changing. So here itself you can add one code which is going to be, I'm not going to tell it to you, you do it on your own. You can just hide the element. Oh, I have told you. It's okay. You can just, now it's your task that you should put it in the correct place. Alright. Thank you everyone, and I will send you this project link in the description. So there even I have done the correct. So there I have added the correct code of that the task which I have given you. So from there you can cross check whether you have done it correct or not. So with this, let's end this live stream, and we would be coming with more such live streams. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow we have two more live streams, and we are scheduling more live streams. So regularly on a daily basis we are scheduling live streams. So make sure you are attending them and taking benefit from those, because I am solving doubts live. Yeah. So it would be easy for you also, and I would recommend you that you should code at the same time when I am doing, so that you can ask the doubts immediately. So you can take care of these things from the next live stream, which is going to be tomorrow 5 p.m. You can check the channel right now and just click there on set reminder so that you will get a reminder. So thank you everyone.